Now this thing is going to absolutely blow your mind. Now I know you guys have all seen those point of view shots of people doing something on their camera or an unboxing video, and they're very easy to take, and this is something that they use to actually capture those point of view shots. Now the neck mount that I have in front of me is from the company Telesin, and they actually did send me this product to review, but I have the full liberty to give you an honest opinion about the quality, how it performs, and if there's any shortcomings of this particular product. You can actually find one of these mounts for both your phones and your GoPro for just under $40 on their website and on Amazon as well. All you have to do to use it is attach this particular mount that comes in the box as well for your GoPro, and if I can figure it out, there we go. And it also comes with a screw. You screw it in. Once you have the screw in place, make sure it's tight. The neck mount would go around your neck, and you put the GoPro on your neck mount just like this, and you're all set. Or you can actually attach your GoPro on the neck mount. Or you can actually attach the GoPro to the neck mount and secure it, and then put it around your neck, and that actually would be honestly much easier. Once you have it around your neck, this thing isn't going anywhere. I tried jiggling it around. It actually won't go anywhere. So it's pretty secure where it is. Let's take this thing outside. Let's put it to the test. Let's use it in a real world scenario, and let's see how this thing holds up. You can actually record a point of view shot safely while driving using this particular neck mount. Let's see how this actually looks. If you're doing street photography and you want to show your audience a different angle, a different perspective, it's really easy to actually take control of this and show them what photos you're actually taking and how you're framing your subject as well with this neck strap. They actually call it the quick release neck strap for GoPros for this reason. With one click, you can take it off, and then another click, you can actually separate both the neck strap and the GoPros, and it's that easy. Let's get back to the studio and we'll talk more about the product. Honestly, it was so cold till last night. It was raining, and all of a sudden today, it's again 20 degrees. I honestly don't know what's happening with the weather this year. Let's talk about the boring stuff. Wait, don't leave the video just yet. I know the product descriptions are never interesting at all unless you're really interested in buying this particular product. But wait till the end of the video. I will actually provide you guys with a 10% coupon code and a referral link in the description below so that you guys can get a discount whenever you guys plan to buy it. This thing, the outer portion of this product is actually made of silicone, so actually it feels quite nice against your skin, and even when you're wearing it for some time. And I was outside right now, and it actually did not matter to me at all whatsoever the weight of this particular product along with the GoPro around your neck. This was bearable, and also mainly because this cushioning factor right here behind where this portion of the mount rests on your chest. This cushioning factor actually does help quite a bit with that. Coming to the durability of this product, they have twisted this thing as much as possible, and this thing would not break. This thing has some sort of stainless steel tubing inside it, which actually makes it quite rigid and flexible at the same time, so that it can take the shape of your neck without any problem. And no matter how much you try to actually put it through the hoops, this thing can take it. This thing can actually take a beating, just like your GoPro would. There are a couple of things about the product that I did not personally like or might want to change in the next version. And don't get me wrong, it's a phenomenal product, and these might not matter to anyone else out there, but I really wish I could extend the length of this neck mount from where it is right now so that I can actually get a better view of what I'm actually recording. at this length where I'm recording right now, I can actually tilt the GoPro to see what I'm recording, but it also tilts the camera as well. So that actually defeats the purpose. So if it was extendable to a certain extent, it would actually make for a much better product. The only other thing that I did not find this product to be most suitable for is any severe activity other than walking. If you plan on even going for a run with this particular product, even with the chest strap that they include in the box, you will actually run into a problem of this thing bouncing on your neck constantly, and you will actually not be able to get the shot that you want. But trust me, this thing would be perfect for any sort of unboxing videos where you need to show what you're taking out of the box, showing the product, and even just simply walking would not be an actual problem with this particular neck mount. And honestly, I think this product is one of the better neck mounts out there, and actually for the price that you're paying for it, it's completely worth it. If you do plan on purchasing this particular product for yourself, you can actually use the referral link in my description below, and also my coupon code Abhishek during checkout to save 10% on your order. If you did find this video helpful in any sort of way, please do hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. It really does make a difference, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.